Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and what we have here today is Fab Bag, and this is their anniversary edition in the month of September. This is the Ultimate 8 September Fab Bag, and all the pricing and product information is mentioned here. There is also this In My Fab Bag contest. So the bag design is pretty cute, and it doesn't have a zipper this time. Instead, it's a button, and you will receive a random color but same pattern. And this time you have 3 product choices. In total you have 5 products and 3 of them are choices, so that's good. So let's get started. First product is a choice by the brand Global Beauty Secrets. You have the choice to go for the Turkish shampoo and conditioner in the variant Rose Mint, or you have a Japanese Azuki Beans face wash. I went with the shampoo cum conditioner because this is my second packet. I already have one which I finished, and this is one of my favorite shampoo conditioners. It washes off oil nicely. It has a nice fragrance. I was actually looking forward to buying this one, and that's when Fab Bag just offered it in the box. So I'm really happy with that. Sulfate free, paraben free, silicone free, recyclable, vegetarian and not tested on animals. The price itself is like 800 rupees. So I really feel this was a value for money deal, and I'm happy that I got it again because I really wanted to stock it up. Now the second product is again a choice. It is by the brand Brick New York. It is the lip liner. You have several choices shade. It is cruelty free and vegan free, designed and developed in New York, and the shade that I went with is shade number 6 Terracotta Brown. This is the packaging, very simple black packaging, a silky body, and this is the terracotta brown color. Let's just see. Okay, it's not per se brown, it's more of a reddish kind of, and I think it's heavily pigmented also, so it will be good even for pigmented lips, and it's a twist up one, so there is no product wastage, sharpening and all, which I personally like. So that is the second product that comes with a choice. The third product that comes with a choice is a lip crayon by Sugar Cosmetics. Matte has a lip crayon. I went with the shade 22 Donna Pinicchiotti. Anyway, it also comes with a free sharpener which is complimentary with the lip pencil. So this is actually my first ever lip crayon by Sugar. I think I have every other lip product by Sugar by now. It comes sealed and also that's good. And actually a sharpening kind of crayon, as you can see. And oh, it's very smooth and glides very softly. I think it will be really good for dry lips, and such a pretty color also. I can't wait to try this on my lips. I'm happy that it comes with a sharpener, and it's a full size product with a choice. So just to show the sharpener, it has a jumbo side and a normal side, and it comes with a cap also. So that's good. It becomes very easy for disposal. That's pretty nice. The next product that you have, which is common for everyone, is by the soap company. It is a Musk body wash. 100 ml of the product, and the price is 250 rupees. It is newly manufactured, and it is not tested on animals and vegetarian. The ingredient list is mentioned here: SLA, CAPB, EDTA. These are the main ingredients. Let's just see the fragrance. It has a musky fragrance. I would say a unisex fragrance. And if you don't use body washes, you can use it like a hand wash. That should work really well, but not on the face. As you guys know, anything that you use on the body shouldn't per se be used on face, because face skin is extremely sensitive and face skin requires dedicated face care products. But you can use it for hand care, body care, etc. And the last product, which is again common for everyone, it is by Palmer's. It is a coconut water hydrating sheet mask for instant boost of hydration. No parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, no mineral oils, no sulfate and no dyes. It contains hyaluronic acid, and the price is 305 rupees. It is expiring in October 2021. So this, for the first time I am receiving a sheet mask by Palmer's. I like the brand because of their products. The formulations are really nice. I have their coconut range scrub and moisturizer, and both of them, oh my god, they smell amazing. So that is the last product, and that's everything we received in the Ultimate Fab Bag, their anniversary edition. You also have a renew coupon code for 10%. So what I like the most is the choices, for the lip liner, for the lip crayon, and for the product which I've been particularly looking for. So that's good. The other 2 products are common for everyone. All in all, for $5.99, I think it's a good deal, and I am very happy with the products this time, especially the choice ones. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about it. The Ultimate 8 edition of Fab Bag. So we'll meet again with another. Until then, take care. Bye.